Hey guys, welcome back to new video. So this video is all about machine learning model and how we can use them in our application. Today I'm going to demonstrate how machine learning model can be auto deployed into the Amazon SageMaker and how we can use them in our application. So I hope this video will be helpful to all those who are interested in ML development and deployment. Okay, let's back to screen now. Actually, we need to just sign in to the Amazon console account, and you need to set up the SageMaker AI. We need to first create the domain. So domain is one of the buckets, so that contains the list of authorized users, notebooks, and similarly other stuffs are there like Canva and Studio, etc. So they all comes under the single domains. Click on create domain. There are two options. One is the quick setup for the single user, and other is for the organization. So actually I have already set up using single user. So this jump start contains the base models from Meta, DeepSeek, Google, and many more. We can use those base model and utilize them for our own needs. The first thing we need to know is Amazon SageMaker Studio. So this is the first fully integrated development environment, IDE, for machine learning. To get started, select the domain and the profile, and then open the studio. And once studio is opened, you can see bunch of options here like home, running instances, compute, data options, and auto ML, experiments, jobs, pipelines, models, etc. So the first thing we need to understand is this jump start, where we have all the public models available. We need to select the particular base model and we can deploy them for our need. And once that public model get deployed, so that is available in the endpoints. And again, if we go to jump start, we will see all the foundational model. Let's choose one meta model, for example this Meta Llama 3.21b instruct text generation model. Okay, I want to deploy this one. Accept the license agreement. Endpoint name is let's keep as it is, Llama 3.21b, and get it deploy. And so as you can see, this Gemma 2b was already deployed, so I'm gonna use same actually. So let's get back to the endpoints. So after your model is deployed, then we need to create endpoint. So model can be selected like this. For example, Meta or Gemma, right? Two models are there. Anyways, so let's get back to the endpoints again. So this is the same endpoint that I created. As you can see, so we have endpoint summary here, add some security setting, etc. From there you can see security stuffs here in the settings, and test inference. So these are the simple test inference options provided, and auto scaling options also there. This Gemma 2b base model was already deployed and endpoint was already created. So the next point is we need to test the model prediction. Actually, open in Jupyter Labs and select this one and open notebook. You just need to run this exact same code actually. Okay, let me run from start. Cool. So text get generated. So it says, hello everyone, my name is AJ, so I'm strong, blah blah blah. This way text get predicted and generated. So add the payload, let me try that one. So write me a poem. So it is a filled up study that is very old, very new. Alright, so I have selected the Gemma based model just to test the model prediction. Let me also try that from the Postman. Okay, so this is the same API endpoint I obtained from SageMaker, and we need to call it through post route in a body section. So these are the parameters: max new tokens, top P, temperature 0.2, and decoder input details and details true. Similarly, in input section I want to pass some sample text like, hello everyone, my name is. So in response, model predict the text and return back the response. So you can see response here. So exactly, so if you have the web application, so you can use same strategy. You can actually deploy your model, your own model or base model that you are trying or experimenting into the Amazon SageMaker, and then you can actually call that model for prediction through API, and you can do further stuff accordingly. So this is how it works, and I hope today's video is fruitful to you guys. Thank you so much. That's all for today, and please don't forget to like and subscribe my video for upcoming videos of similar type. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.